the society, we have social structure. We have people on the top, people are down. The social structure. You can have people who are among the top 10%. Others are among the top 1%. This afternoon, I will talk about the habits of the top 1%. What habits do they have which make them to be there at the top? One, they plan short and long-term goals. These people are planners. They take planning very seriously. They don't just do things at the whim of moment. Two, they wake up early. These are not people who are going to wake up at noon. They are early risers. And successful people, by the way, they are not heavy sleepers. They are people who wake up early, and some of them, they even sleep very late. These people also take time on meditation. What do I mean? They take time to be alone and they do self-reflection. They have a conference with themselves. They try to interrogate themselves, the way they conduct themselves, the way they do things, all by themselves. 4, they also value exercise. They like most of the time to exercise daily. 5, savings is very important to them because they know if they don't save, they cannot be able to invest. That is the basic principle which was propounded by Bernard Keynesian, who came up with the Keynesian theory that investment, saving is equal to investment. If you don't save, how will you invest? These people are not always on the phone or on TV. They are careful about how they use their time. 7, they are also strict on reading. They want to appraise themselves with knowledge. They also like, number 8, they like also to see themselves things in the long term. They don't just want to look at things at a low and short term. They also want to be strategic. They want to see how will their business, are they going also to be in 5 years' time, not just today. And finally, they are very willing to listen to new ideas, which they are going to use to make themselves perform better. Thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Have a great day. Adios.